In this session, we will learn multiples and factors and their difference with few examples. We know that a number can be expressed as a product of two numbers in many ways. We have taken number 12 as an example, and now we are going to express this number as a product of two numbers. So 12 can be expressed as 1 into 12 is 12, then 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. So this shows that each of the number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are all factors of number 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are all factors of number 12. In other words, we can say that number 12 is a multiple of each one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So 12 is a multiple of each one of these numbers. Now let us learn multiples and factors through division method. So far we have learned multiples and factors by expressing a number as a product of two numbers. So now we are going to learn multiples and factors through division method. We have taken 595 as dividend and 7 as a divisor. Now let's divide this number. 595 divide by 7. So 7 into 8 times is 56. If you subtract this, you will get 3. 7 into 5 times is 35. When you subtract, you will get 0. So quotient is 85 and remainder is 0. 7 is a divisor and 595 is dividend. When a divisor divides a number such that there is no remainder left. So no remainder left means the remainder should be 0. Then the divisor is called the factor of the dividend. The divisor is called the factor of the dividend, and the dividend is called the multiple of the divisor. Since the remainder is 0, 7 is a factor. 7 is a factor of 595, and this 595, the dividend, is a multiple of 7. Multiple of the divisor 7. So when a divisor divides a number such that there is no remainder left, then the divisor is called the factor of the dividend, and the dividend is called the multiple of the divisor. In this case, the divisor is 7. So in this session, we have learnt what are multiples and what are factors and their differences with few examples. Now you try this example and let me know the factors and multiples. First, you need to divide this number and check the factors and multiples. And second thing is, take this number, the dividend 414, and express as a product of two numbers. List all the factors. Thank you so much for watching this video.